Alright guys, so I do have two key fobs here. The first one is not working. The second one, it does work. So I did look vehicle history and I found out a couple months ago the customer can't find any of her keys, so they bought one key fob and my coworker programmed it, but it's our vehicle now, it's one of our inventory, so the dealership wanted to add another one. So yeah, I'm going to show you guys how to program a key fob on your Kia vehicle. Stay tuned. I'm going to go ahead and install my VCI here in the bottom. Right there. And by the way, both of this key fob able to start the engine, so we don't have any immobilizer issue here. So I'm just gonna go ahead and cycle the key on position. Then let's go ahead and read the VIN number. Oops, I gotta log in. This is something I can't show you. Alright, so I'm all logged in. I'm gonna talk to my VCI, which is that guy over there, and I'm just gonna reconnect that. Alright, so we're all hooked up. We can go back there. Now it's talking to the vehicle. Now we're in. Press KDS. That's a lot of steps. All right. Then select expert diagnosis. Look for software management. Sorry guys, I can't show you that. Okay. Alright, so let's look for code transmitter code saving. Code saving. Okay, so we're all good in that one. Press OK. Oh boy. Alright, so we gotta remove the ignition from the key cylinder right here. Then we're gonna press OK. Wait for 2 seconds. Then we're gonna press the lock button. There we go. It registered the first one. Then we're gonna work on the second one. I'm gonna press OK again and press the lock button. There we go. So this guy can do at least 3. Normally, if this vehicle only save at least 2, it's not going to give me the third option. But right now, it's giving me the third option. But since we don't have the third option, we're just going to go press cancel. And let's see if this 2 works now. First one works. The second one works. Alright guys, yeah, this process works on any Kia vehicles. The push start button is a different process, but yeah, if you have this kind of key, this is how you program your key fob. You gotta need this guy though, but I think Snap-on or whatever scanner that you pay monthly can able to do that as well. But yeah, all right guys, thank you so much, have a great day, bye.